Okay, the complaint here is that it's not cooling. This unit is a Goodman unit. It's about 3 or 4 years old. So I pretty much know what the problem is just by listening to it. The capacitor is out. These capacitors are made in China, and a lot of times this poor airflow, let's see, oh yeah, causes them to burn out faster. See all that, you can see the coils in there. So let's diagnose and see what's going on. There's a screw missing. And I can't tell off the top of my head just yet, but this is a 0545, so it's a 45.5. These capacitors are made in China, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. We're going to take it off and verify. I can test it while it's running, but we'll just well, there's no disconnect. Okay, so we're gonna find a break. Ah, there it is. That's the telltale sign, telltale noise of a bad capacitor. All right, I already know what it is, and I don't even have to check it. I guarantee you got a bad capacitor. Just for comparison, we're gonna test it out. We have the old one here, and this is the new one. Every time you start your voltmeter, you always want to do a continuity check. Finger it away. Let's see. You always want to do a continuity check just to make sure that the wires are not broken. Sometimes you could have a break in the wire, and then you get a false reading. So first thing you do is just for safety, you always do a continuity check. I like this field piece voltmeters because they have this microfarad tester option. So here is the new one. Let's see, I'm gonna place this over here. Okay, so we're gonna go to Herm and Common, and you're gonna see we're at 46. All right, Herm and Common right here on the new one, 46. Now let's test the bad one. Herm and Common, and I got 0.006. So that's the problem. We have a bad capacitor. Let's get it changed out. You guys gotta be careful where you're standing, because I was standing right here and I was getting these guys upset. I'm just gonna scoot over a little bit. Change this out. I always like to add these American-made capacitors because I've had these Chinese ones go out before a year. I used to buy these to keep in my truck, but then I'd have to replace them in warranty because they would go out before a year. That happened to me with one customer. I had 2 of these go out in 1 year, so I stopped using Chinese capacitors, and these units come with Chinese capacitors. These have a 5-year warranty, so it's in there. I'm gonna hit the power. You hear that? Distinctive sound of the compressor. All right, we're gonna wrap this up.